how to request a desktop site on iPhone browser. So if you're using Safari or you're using Chrome on your iPhone and I want to request a desktop site on the browser, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to request a desktop site on your browser on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Safari browser. Now visit any web page of your choice. So maybe you want to go to a website or you just want to go to a random website just like this. So let's go to google.com. Click on this icon here. Click on the more option. So once you click on the icon, then you click on this more option, which is the three dots at the bottom right. Then you should see this menu comes up. On the menu, you want to scroll down until you get to request desktop website. So go ahead and click on that. Once you click on request desktop website, then you should see the web page opened in desktop. So if you go ahead and search for anything, so let's say you just want to search for Ade.4a, which is our YouTube channel name. So just go ahead, search for that. Then you should see the website in desktop form. If you want to return back from desktop site to mobile site, repeat the process again and click on request mobile site. You see that? So this works on Safari. If you're using Chrome, repeat the same thing. On the web page, click on this three dots at the bottom right. Now locate request desktop site. You see that? Request desktop site. Click on it. Hang on. And once the page reloads, then you should see your desktop site pops. So that is basically how to request desktop sites on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.